What's up everyone, welcome back to the video. This is part 2 of the neon alternator fix, hopefully fix. We'll see what happens. So I'm gonna go outside right now, put the new alternator, the refurbished alternator in the car. Hopefully that solves our problems. I'm gonna have to charge my battery while I'm doing that, so let me get started on that. Keep our fingers crossed, people. Listen to that. You can't fake that. It's getting super cold in Jersey right now. It's like, I think 19 degrees, so I didn't do much filming. I know you guys wanted the startup, but it slipped my mind. I just wanted to get this thing back together. So I'm gonna warm this thing up for a while because honestly, this thing hasn't been used as a daily in maybe a year now. I've been using the BMW a bunch. My brother was only home for a little while he used it, so this thing hasn't seen much action. So